Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. This is Yan 老师. Today we are going to learn another 4 initials. B, P, M, F. Let's get started. Good news is, 3 of these are very close to English, but one of them has a surprise. Let's go through each one. The first 3, B, P, M, are called 双唇音 in Chinese, which means double lip sound. Both lips touch together when you pronounce this sound. B, P, M. Before we start, here's something important. In Mandarin, B is not the same as the B in Bob. English B has a buzzing vibration in your throat. Mandarin B does not. Instead, think of B in spa. Clean, quiet, no buzz. Ba, father, 爸爸, 爸爸. The real difference between the Mandarin B and P is air. B, no puff of air. Hold your hand in front of your mouth. Say B, B. You should feel almost nothing. P, strong puff of air. Hold your hand or a piece of paper in front of your mouth. Say P. You should feel a clear burst of air. P, P. Like 朋友, 朋友. Did you see the difference? 爸爸, 爸爸, 朋友, 朋友. Another initial today is M. This one is just like English, like the M in mother. Very easy. Let's try one more time. Ma, ma. Now, the F is slightly different. F. In Chinese, it's called 唇齿音, which means the lip and the teeth touch together. To make this sound, your upper teeth touch your lower lip, exactly like the F in father, father, father. Also like a fei, to fly, fei. Let's hear them all together with their example words. 爸爸, 爸爸, 朋友, 朋友, 妈妈, 妈妈. Fei, fei. That's episode 3, and as you can see, not every Mandarin sound is difficult. In the next episode, we will look at 4 more initials. D, T, N, L. The sounds made with the tip of your tongue. See you in episode 4. 再见。